What if I told you that a $50,000 investment netted $200,000 profit? Yeah, you heard that correctly. That is a 300% profit. And it wasn't just luck. That's exactly what happened here at 448 Evergreen. It was strategy, vision, and the power of smart upgrades. The house location in Sunshine Gardens was already great. Walkable to bar, Trader Joe's, Costco, some of the top schools. And this is one of the few 4-bedroom single-level homes in the entire neighborhood. But the interiors, they needed a refresh. If it was left untouched, this house probably would sell no more than $1.2 million. Instead, we partnered with Compass Concierge and fronted $50,000 to the owner. And they only had to pay that money after we sold the property. So we fronted the capital, and at the end result, we actually sold the house for just over $1.4 million. First, we started with the floors, ripped out all the old carpets and resurfaced the original wood flooring to give it that nice, warm, homey look. Next, we painted every wall, every door, every molding to give it a nice, modern, contemporary feel and a blank canvas. Next, we updated every single light fixture in the property to modernize the design and give light to every single corner of the house. The kitchen, total transformation. Brand new quartz countertops, designer backsplash, new sink, new faucet, brand new stainless steel appliances. And at the end, what we did is we refinished the cabinetry to give it a modern feel without breaking the bank. Both bathrooms were updated with new floor tile, vanities, faucet, mirror, and light fixtures, and we reglazed the tile. Just a clean, nice white look. No overbuilding, just smart, targeted improvements that really resonated with the buyers. Outside, we reused the existing materials to modernize the front facade landscaping to reconfigure it, and then added this front path directly leading it to the front door. In the backyard, we created multiple zones. One for entertaining, a separate section for your gardening, and a beautiful patio section to just enjoy the sun or the stars in the evening. It's not just a backyard, it's a lifestyle. This is what strategic real estate looks like. With Compass Concierge, we were able to make the right moves, make the right updates for today's buyers' needs, and netted a substantial return for our clients. So if you're thinking of selling your home, especially a property with untapped potential, let's talk. Because the right upgrades don't just improve the home, they transform the outcome.